Hi, and welcome back to the Growth Brief. I'm Alicia, and I'm with Daniel here today, tackling a sticky subject for startup founders around marketing. We're discussing a really insightful piece by Carl James. Carl is a Manchester-based marketing expert. He has co-founded previous businesses himself, all of which continue to operate to this day, including his current business, Promotive Marketing, a full-service marketing agency with extensive experience working with tech and manufacturing businesses.
Thanks, Alicia. It is a vital topic. Carl's main argument is that founders often sabotage their own success by holding an overly narrow view of marketing. They see it mainly as outputs, ads, socials, website visuals, rather than a strategic engine.
Exactly. And because they view it that way, they hire too late. This leaves the business with unclear positioning and weak foundations right when they need strategic direction the most. Carl points out that early-stage failure drivers, like lack of product-market fit or poor pricing, are actually failures of marketing's core job, understanding the customer. But this may not be the marketer's fault, but rather how the founder has framed the marketer's role.
That's the key, isn't it? As Carl points out, real marketing is about value articulation and aligning the product around real demand. But when founders wait until performance is already slipping to bring someone in, they are already behind the curve, and the marketing leader is immediately engaged in a firefighting role, forced to patch up the symptoms rather than build the fundamentals.
And that leads to what Carl calls the tactical trap. Marketing leaders get boxed into producing generic, salesy communications. Meanwhile, the critical work that actually underpins success, like research, defining the ideal customer profile, and messaging architecture, is underfunded or ignored completely.
To fix this, Carl says marketing leaders need an explicit mandate, and if the founder can't provide one, let them define it. Crucially, access to business data. We're talking sales margins, pipeline, retention, and usage trends. You cannot plan intelligently or prove impact without the full picture.
Yes, and regarding who to hire, for startups and scale-ups, Carl suggests the most effective early hire is someone who can cover breadth but still go deep where it matters. You need that versatility before building out the team and adding specialists later.
He concludes that in the relationship between the marketer and founder, sustainable growth depends on trust and autonomy. Hire well, align on objectives, and then empower your marketing leader to balance quick wins with long-term strategy. That is how you survive and thrive.
This all sounds quite insightful and pragmatic, and I know there is a lot more in the article. To read the article, visit the Promotive Marketing website at promotive-marketing.com. Thank you.